Welcome to the new UI widgets tutorials. This tutorial will be not about widgets, it is about colors, gradients and lerp. Here are two gradients. Both have red on the left side, green on the right side and interpolated colors in between. But one looks good and the other one has a dirty grayish color in the middle. Here's an explanation why it happens and a different approach to color interpolation. The top gradient uses HSV interpolation, the bottom one uses RGB interpolation. RGB stands for red, green and blue. When red, green and blue components are 1, you get the white color. When they are 0, you get the black color. And in between you have different gray shaders if all components are equal. During interpolation those components can become equal and it results in a gray shade. This is the reason why you can get undesired dirty colors in between when you use RGB interpolation. HSV stands for hue, saturation and value or brightness. Gray and black in HSV are controlled by value instead of mixing components. You do not get undesired dirty colors using HSV interpolation. Other color schemas can give better results like LSCH. But conversion from RGB to LCH is very expensive, so it is not very practical to use. For the shaders you can use lerp HSV and lerp HSV alternative functions from the UI widgets CG Inc file. For scripts you can use lerp and lerp alternative method from the color HSV class. The downside is that it requires more calculation than the default lerp function. Now about the lerp alternative function for the HSV interpolation. Hue corresponds to an angle on the color circle. On the circle you can go clockwise or counterclockwise to reach another angle. You will get yellow, green and blue colors in between when you go from red to pink. The alternative lerp goes the shortest way. You do not get yellow, green and blue colors in between when you go from red to pink. But you can get a color jump with color change. That's all. Thanks for watching.